Hello.
Hi, Tara, it's me. I'm calling you on my new cell phone. Look, here I am.
Cool.
What are you doing?
I'm studying. I'm taking an art history class this semester and I'm not doing so well.
What are you studying?
Look.
Hey, that's the Mona Lisa. I love that painting.
Me too. So, what are you doing?
Talking on the phone. I'm shopping right now. And I have a date with Roberto for dinner at his house later. He's taking an Italian cooking class. Oh, I just love Italian food.
That's cool. Well, have fun.
Okay, I'll call you later. Bye. Taxi!
Hello.
Hi, Tara, it's Claudia. What are you doing? Are you studying?
No, I'm not studying. I'm exercising now.
Oh, I'm waiting for Roberto. Hey, here he is now.
Hello?
Sunhee?
Yeah?
Hi, it's Claudia.
Oh, hi, Claudia.
What are you doing?
Oh, just watching TV.
Oh, where's Tara?
Tara? She's sleeping.
Really? Gee, that's too bad.
Why, what are you up to?
Roberto and I are out dancing. We're at the cat club with Roberto's classmate, Miguel. He's pretty cute, see? Gee, it's too bad you two are busy. Gotta go. Bye.
Bye. They're dancing.